Hello. If you think that for any real x, expression x over x can be simplified as 1, and expression square root of x minus square root of x can be presented as 0, you made a mistake. At this point, I would recommend to stop the video and try to simplify these two expressions yourself, and then you come back and we will simplify them together. Let's start with definition. What does it mean to simplify expression? In simple word, simplifying is the transformation of a complex mathematical expression into a more compact form while preserving equivalence. The last part is very important. It means that if we have original expression and simplified expression, they must be equivalent. It means that left-hand side and right-hand side, they have the same value at all admissible values of variable. Let's consider first this expression, x over x. Left-hand side is this, right-hand side is 1, and we should decide if they are equivalent or not. Let's consider first left-hand side. It contains division over x. It means that it doesn't exist at x equals 0, because division over x is prohibited. Conclusion is that x equals 0 is not an admissible value. The right-hand side exists at all x. It means that this point x equals 0 is admissible value. For this reason, for x equals 0, we cannot write equivalence sign here. So at x equals 0, this is incorrect. How to write the correct answer? It's very simple. We write that x over x equivalent to 1 when x not equal to 0. We can use here the sign of equality and consider this as a final answer. Now we go to the next problem to analyze this expression. But before we start to do this, I would like to ask you to support Dr. G in his work with future videos. You can help him with likes or dislikes, with positive or negative comments, and with subscription for the channel. Thank you for your help. Now we return to our problem. Consider the left-hand side, and we see that it doesn't exist at x less than 0, because contains square root. For this reason, x less than 0 are not admissible values. The right-hand side is equal 0 at all x. It means that x less than 0 are admissible values. It means, again, that we cannot use this equivalence for x less than 0. The right answer can be presented in this form, that this is equal to 0 when x is greater or equal 0. Again, we can replace this sign with just this and consider this as a final answer. Finally, the answer in our problem is x over x equal this difference equal this. The problem is solved completely. If you have another solution, please post your solution in the comment section and we will discuss it later. What can we learn from these two simple examples? I believe the most important is the understanding how to avoid pitfalls during simplification. Let's suppose we have original expression and expression which we got after simplification. The question is, do these two expressions equivalent? To give the answer, we need to find admissible values of x for original expression and the same for simplified expression. And then to find common admissible values of x for these two expressions. After we found these common values, we can remove this sign and state that this simplification is valid for common admissible values which we found. And finally, if you like this video, you may want to click like icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for the channel.